I may be overthinking this, but recently I've been trying to figure out if my Spanish fluency is decreasing. Now, for more context, make sure that you watch these two videos first. Now, I think that my Spanish fluency may be decreasing because it seems like communication in Spanish is a little bit harder for me right now. And that could be definitely all in my head because communicating in Spanish seems to be always very difficult for me. Like my brain is taking longer than usual to process the most basic things in Spanish when I'm speaking to a Spanish speaker. Like just a few days ago, I was talking to a Colombian woman in Spanish and she said the word caleña to me. And I was like, caleña, like what is that? Even though I've been to Cali, Colombia, and I've heard caleña, I don't know how many times over the past year or this year. Or in this same conversation, I was struggling to ask some questions because my brain was having a little difficulty trying to think of questions in Spanish. So it feels like there's just a little bit more of a delay and like there's a block in between my mind and my mouth. But it's not like I can't have a conversation in Spanish. I still can. I still feel like I can have like a fluid conversation in Spanish, but my brain just feels, or it seems like my brain is taking a lot more time to process things and to start speaking and to say things even decently correct. This day was just very strange for communicating in Spanish for me, and the same thing goes with the other conversations I had as well. It just seemed like I could only ask very, very basic questions in Spanish, and trying to connect sentences together was a struggle. But now I've been thinking that it's maybe because it's a little bit difficult for me to switch between my English brain and my Spanish brain, because now I feel like I still have my Spanish brain, but it's not very active all throughout the day, because now since I'm not watching YouTube videos in Spanish, I am not talking to myself in Spanish throughout the day. I'm not thinking in Spanish throughout the day. So the main thing I do right now is just listen to music in Spanish. So when I get to a conversation, it just takes a little bit longer to think about what I want to say and to understand what people are saying to me. But again, this could be all in my head, and this could just be a normal process that I've experienced in the past. I mean, I remember just a few years ago when it was really difficult for me to switch in between English and Spanish. And I'm curious to know if I continue to have the break that I have right now with Spanish, if I will get to that point again. So will my Spanish really decrease to that level? Or will my Spanish level and my Spanish fluency stay about the same with what I'm doing right now with my nice little break? So I just need to, maybe listen to music in Spanish and just have conversations in Spanish from time to time, and that's it. I can stay at the same level. I don't know yet. But let me know in the comment section below, what do you think? Do you think my Spanish fluency is decreasing? Is it staying the same? Or is it actually increasing? Also, let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about Spanish fluency in this way? What exactly needs to happen for you to actually lose your Spanish fluency or to maintain your Spanish fluency? Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget about these resources that I have linked down below in the description box. Now watch this next video.